Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Free Fire login failed. Please try logging out error both on Android and iOS devices. So first of all, we'll try to log in to Free Fire with our Facebook account and show you the error. Now we'll try to log in to Free Fire with our Google account and see what happens. Again the same error, login failed. Now we'll show you how you can fix this one. You have to minimize Free Fire. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon, click on all. So you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. First of all, you have to update your Facebook app. So after updating your Facebook application, make sure your account is working fine, your account is not disabled or not locked. After doing this one, second step, you have to open your phone settings and then you have to go to apps. From here you have to go to Facebook. Click on permissions. From here you have to allow all the permissions. Now you have to go to Free Fire. Click on permissions. Now you have to allow Free Fire permissions. So once you will allow Free Fire permissions also, then you have to swipe downward and you have to turn on aeroplane mode. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and then you have to turn off aeroplane mode. Again you have to open Free Fire game and try to log in. We'll click on sign in with Facebook. And here you can see we are successfully logged into Free Fire, and here you can see in the bottom left side you can see the logout option is also appeared. So in the same way you can also fix Free Fire login error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.